Okay, I'm back with Mary. We did our face wash. The next step we're going to do is the lactic acid. And you can either do the vitamin C powder as well. We're going to do just the lactic because most people can't really tolerate both acids at the same time. Some people have pretty desensitized skin, or just the kind of skin that can tolerate much more aggressive action. But we're going to do just a lactic acid treatment. So I just shook a couple of drops of the lactic acid, 15%, onto my cotton pad here. And again, you can use a washcloth. It will discolor your washcloth though, so just so you know. I really prefer these for the lactic. So we're going to start again. Make sure you don't put so much on the pad that it drips off, because it's an acid. If it gets in your eye, it's not going to feel good. So you want just enough that the cotton ball is slightly saturated. Can you feel it, Mary?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. So lactic acid is going to cause tingling. If you feel it really burning when you're putting it on, like ouch, uncomfortable burning, take it off, of course, with a warm washcloth and some oil. But don't wait 10 minutes. It's going to soak in within a couple of minutes. So for most people, the 15% is totally fine. I've had only a couple people who've said they felt like it was too strong. And again, we're going to do the neck. Now, this is the amazing thing about lactic acid, is that it is an exfoliant, but it's also a cell regenerator. And so you're going to get immediate benefits from the exfoliation, but then over time, you're also encouraging cell regeneration, which prompts collagen synthesis. That means growth of collagen. And that's what we really need for anti-aging. And the lactic acid, you can basically put it anywhere except your eyes. You can put it on your lips if you want to. You can put it on your neck, your décolletage. And then this is the super cool thing about lactic acid. My little secret is that I use lactic acid to wash with. I do an oil wash, and then I use lactic acid, and I'll show you why. So we already washed Mary's face, and look, isn't that cool? It's not because Mary's face is dirty, it's because the lactic acid is pulling off. These are dead skin cells. There might be a little bit of a sunscreen still left from the wash that the wash didn't get, but more than likely it is just pulling off. It's doing a layer of exfoliation, which is just awesome. And then what happens with the skin is it glows after you've done a lactic acid treatment. Same with vitamin C. Okay, so that's all you need to do with lactic acid. You can wash it off if it's bothering you, or if it's even just feeling kind of after 10 minutes or so, if you can feel a residue, which most people do not. I don't wash mine off, but you certainly can if you want to. And so this is the lactic acid treatment. The next thing we're going to do is our base layer treatment. You want the cleanest skin when you're going to do a treatment. So serum is going to be the first thing we want to put on our skin before we do just a straight-on moisturizer, and before we do a sunscreen and that kind of thing.